Hello, everyone. So this week we're going to finish the second half of Unit 3. So you're learning how to animate your scenes and make all the designs that you've been creating move. So last week you did lessons 1 through 10. This week, when you open up the document right here, you're going to see that you're going to be responsible, moving into CodeHS, you're going to be responsible for working through 11 through 20. 20 is where you receive your badge. 19 is where you create your scene. You're going to have a video and some notes to take, but it's much less in terms of notes than it's been in the past couple of weeks because the bulk of what I want you doing is working on your animation. So there's no discussion questions this week either. When you submit this, this will be a small project grade this week, a project or quiz or test grade. So you want to make sure that you do a nice job. If you're having any questions, you want to make sure that you contact me so that I can help walk you through any sort of hurdles you're coming across. I can share problem guides with you if you're lost at any point to help you through this. What I need you to do though, you can't take a screenshot this week because the focus of this is animation. So I do need to see how your scene is moving. So what I'm going to ask that you do instead, and some of you have been doing this already, instead of taking a screenshot, I want you to copy. So let me show you what I mean. When you are in lesson 19, it's explaining what you're doing. I haven't coded anything yet. What you would do is once you have all your code built in and you're happy with the way your animation is going, you will actually copy right here. You're going to copy the URL, copy it, and paste it into the notes doc that you're submitting to me. And then I can actually hyperlink to or copy and paste to your actual animation to give you your grade for that. And that is it. That's all we are working on this week. So again, if you need help at any time, please reach out to me. You can reach me through my email, you can reach me through the inbox, or you can reach me through Remind. Hope you are doing well. Bye.